DoneRight Management, we're going to do a quick video tutorial. We're at Silverpine Hideaway on the dehumidifier that's in the unit. So we're going to have a quick tutorial and show and tell how this works, so go for it.
So this is how we use a unit. There's a small remote for on and off. Also at the base of the unit, there's an on and off as well.
All right, so I see a green light down here. All right.
So the green light signifies everything's well, everything's full, and everything's running. That unit will run for 12 hours. And then to refill, simply turn it off.
All right. So blue light. Okay, so that went off. Okay, got it.
Okay. Lift the cover off the top.
Ah, there you go. Slick. Any kind of particular water that goes in there, or is it just regular tap water?
Regular tap water. Take the tap water out to the sink. Unscrew the top.
Got it.
Fill it up.
Fill her up. Look at that. Put it back in.
Put it back in.
Fantastic. Put the top down.
Put the top down.
Handle. Put that back on.
And hit on.
And then hit the on button. Good deal.
And you're good for 12 hours.
Fantastic. And this thing works well. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The office number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.